In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change language on Amazon app. If you want to use the Amazon shopping app in a different language, the process is simple and only takes a moment. I will walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on your phone without any confusion. First, open the Amazon app on your device. Make sure the app has fully loaded and that you are on the main screen. This helps you find the right menu more easily. Once you are inside the app, look for the profile or account icon. In most versions of the Amazon app, this icon is located near the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to open your account area. After that, look for the flag icon. In many cases, this appears near the top of the screen and is used to access language and regional settings quickly. If you do not see the flag icon right away, do not worry. You can also go to Settings from the Account section. Both options are commonly used to reach the same place depending on your app version and device. Once you are in the correct menu, tap on Country and Language or simply Language. The wording may be slightly different depending on your location or the version of the app you are using, but the option will usually be easy to recognize. This is where Amazon lets you control the language used throughout the app. Now choose your preferred language from the list. Take a moment to make sure you select the one you want, since this will affect how menus, labels, and other app content appear. In some versions of the app, changing the language may also be connected to your region settings, so just pay attention to the available choices on the screen. When you have selected your language, tap Save or Done to apply the change. The app may refresh for a moment, and then you should see the new language appear across the interface. If the change does not happen immediately, give it a few seconds or reopen the app. That is all you need to do. Open the Amazon app, go to the Profile or Accounts section, find the flag icon or settings, select Country and Language or Language, choose your preferred option, and save the change. That covers everything you need to know.